Hello students, welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology Dosa. Myself Pushpendra Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Students, our subject is Air and Noise Pollution and Control. Today topic noise indices, noise control methods. Students, this is last topic of this subject and last video lecture of this subject. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic infrasound and ultrasound. Today we will discuss on the topic noise indices, noise control methods. Students, let's start. Four noise control mistakes to avoid. नॉइज़ कंट्रोल की जो मिस्टेक है उनको अवॉइड करते हैं, तो वो इनको देख लेते हैं कि के बारे में. थिंकिंग दैट देर इज़ नो नॉइज़ प्रॉब्लम, NL greater than 85 dB in factory environment and level as low as a 55 dB in a classroom studios should be considered as a problem. In general, if conversation is difficult, treat it as a serious noise issues. NL means noise level. तो फैक्ट्री में एनवायरनमेंट में जो ये होता है वो कितना होता है 85 dB, ठीक है. और जो लो लेवल की बात करें तो वो होता है 55 dB. किसके लिए? इन ए क्लासरूम स्टूडियो शुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज ए प्रॉब्लम. वहाँ पे इसलिए जो लो लेवल है इसको क्या कंसिडर करते हैं? प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. सेकंड पॉइंट देखते हैं. नॉट कंसिडरिंग नॉइज कंट्रोल ड्यूरिंग द डिजाइन स्टेज. आल्थो all source of noise can be treated after installation. It's generally twice as expensive as half as effective compared with designing proper noise control into the system before the noise source is installed. Third point, not sealing the air leaks. Sound always takes the easiest path around or through a barrier. Construction gaps or air leaks are the easiest way for sound to pass from one space to another. Not using a system approach to noise control. A common mistake is noise control effort is the failure to consider all possible noise paths. All airborne and structure-borne noise paths must be studied and treated accordingly. Student, next, basic measures of noise control. Basic measures of noise control. Students, here we discuss absorption, damping, decoupling, mass and flow control. Student, we discuss one by one. First of all, absorption. Absorption by installing appropriate sound absorbing solutions in the form of wall panels, false ceiling, carpeting. This is necessary for any serious soundproofing project. Decoupling की हम बात करें तो decoupling to isolate walls from the studs, thereby breaking the direct path of sound by using resilient channel and sound clips. This decoupling technique adds resilience to the walls. Damping is the process of sound insulation by installing the non-vibrating dead panels as barriers. Damping is improved by applying suitable compounds in between two constrained layers. Students, mass simply means creating a heavier wall by using more another layer and or thicker material. Flow control measures to avoid turbulence and resulting noise and vibration in free flow of fluids in pipelines, ducts, etc. Noise reduction by absorption. Increased absorption, reduced ambient noise. Student, direct wave, bare floor, reflected waves, concrete. Direct wave, carpet, light and fading wave, acoustic tile and drapes. नॉइज़ रिडक्शन बाय एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड डीकपलिंग। डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं टीवी 75 डेसिबल, 72 डेसिबल, 74 डेसिबल एंड 44 डेसिबल, 30 डेसिबल वॉल। नेक्स्ट टीवी 75 डेसिबल, 72 डेसिबल, 73 डेसिबल एंड 43 डेसिबल। ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें बैरियर लगा हुआ है, ठीक है ना। नेक्स्ट noise reduction, combined effect of TL and absorption. TL means transmission loss. NR is equal to TL minus 10 log S upon AR, where NR is the noise reduction in decibel, TL is the transmission losses in decibel, area of variable wall which is in feet square, and AR is equal to total absorption or of receiving room savings in feet square. Next students, decoupling measures. Principle, high frequency sound, which is sound passing directly through hole in panel. Reflected sound, this is also reflected sound, and this is reflective surface, reflecting surface. Dampers की बात करें, unconstrained layer of damping material in sandwich construction, sheet metal, damping material deform only near bends, damping material made to shear over whole area, isolated tire, open spring floor mount. फ्लो चैनल मेजर्स की हम बात करें, प्रिंसिपल लो फ्रीक्वेंसी साउंड आउटफ्लो, लो फ्रीक्वेंसी साउंड एक्सपेंशन चैम्बर एंड outflow. Principal, intake, outflow, sound absorbent material, for example mineral or glass, wool. Wind generated tones can be avoided by profile changes or spoilers. Principal, airstream, regular vortex shading causes a loud tone. Extension, irregular turbulence gives less noise. Small turbulence generators irregular turbulence. Smooth ducts and pipes create less turbulence noise. Principle, minor turbulence only at the wall flange, major turbulence over most of the pipe diameter. LF exhaust noise transformed to HF is easier to attenuate. Single large outlet, jet exit velocity over 100 meter per second, mixing region, core region and high frequency noise, low frequency noise. Many small outlets, mixing region. Regulators, turbulence, short distance, regulator, increase distance and short distance to fan, sharp corner cause turbulence, and last smooth corner cause tight little turbulence and increased distance. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, फ्लो नॉइज इन पाइप्स इज formed by sudden pressure changes. Principle, turbulence, bubbles, and diffusers. Students, case study of noise control in HVAC system. HVAC means heating. Next, ventilation. And air conditioning. Students, typical sound paths. Airborne sound that travels through supply duct form, return ductwork, or an open plenum can travel with or against the direction of airflow. Breakout sound that breaks out through the wall of the supply or return ductwork. Transmission sound that travel through walls, floor, or ceiling. In diagram, students, path A, structure borne path through floor, airborne path through supply air system, duct breakout from supply air duct, airborne path through return air system and airborne path through मैकेनिकल इक्विपमेंट रूम वॉल. ये आपको यहाँ पे इसमें दिख रहा है पाथ ए, ये रहा पाथ बी, यहाँ पे सी, डी एंड ई. स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट मेन HVAC नॉइज सोर्सेज, हीटिंग, वेंटिलेशन, एयर कंडीशनिंग नॉइज सोर्सेज. फैंस की बात करें फॉर एयर सर्कुलेशन, एक्सियल, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल एंड प्रॉपलर. कंप्रेशर की बात करें दैट कन्वर्ट गैस टू लिक्विड, पिस्टन, रोटरी, स्क्रॉल, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल एंड स्क्रू. पंप्स की यहाँ पे बात करें तो पंप्स में स्टूडेंट्स टू सर्कुलेट लिक्विड्स. डिफ्यूजर एंड डक्टवर्क की बात करें तो टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एयर, टर्बुलेंट, एरोडायनेमिक नॉइज, ब्रेकआउट नॉइज. नॉइज कंट्रोल अप्रोचेज इन heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. First of all, location, ceiling penetrations, resilient mounting and connected services, flexible connections to equipment to lower fluid velocities, internal duct lining and attenuators, routing of ductwork and piping, enclosing ductwork and piping. These are noise control approaches in HVAC system. Conclusion, all measures discussed, absorption, damping, decoupling, adding mass and flow control needs to be carefully considered while designing the potential noise emitting equipment. Active silencer is attractive measure but not an alternative for the classical measure but can supplement these efforts. Students, thanks for watching. Today our subject air and noise pollution and control has been completed. Today we have to be discussed absorption, damping and decoupling, mass flow कंट्रोल. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको PDF प्रोवाइड करवा दी जाएगी. अगेन थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.